Guys, getting a tattoo machine is quite a confusing experience. There are a lot of different options out there. You've got coil machines, rotaries, cartridges, traditional needles, crossovers, wireless, pneumatic. I'll tell you what that is in a sec. There's lots of different options out there. So in this video, I want to help you out to find out what is the right beginner machine for you. So the main thing that you want when you're getting your first tattoo machine is something that is easy to use, it's versatile, it's forgiving, and it's actually going to last you a long time, because you're probably only going to have one tattoo machine to start out with, and so you're going to want that machine to be able to do pretty much everything, so that you can kind of figure out what style and what kind of tattoo artist that you want to be. So for that reason, guys, I do not recommend coil machines or direct drive machines to beginners, and that is because these machines are not very forgiving and they do hit a lot harder. They're also a bit more complicated to use, and that is actually going to increase your risk of actually messing up a tattoo, damaging someone's skin, getting blowouts, things like that. So you do actually want a machine that has got some give. Now, give is basically suspension on the needle. So what you'll find is that if you press really hard with it, the give will kick in and it will actually stop you from penetrating too far into the skin and actually hurting someone. So I do recommend a rotary machine which has got some give on the motor. Some people like quite a wide grip. They like to kind of come under and their hand's not going to be that close to the skin, whereas others like to kind of come over and they might have a finger or two kind of resting on the cartridge, and that is a bit more of a natural kind of style for people who like to do drawing and things like that, and the other style is more of a painterly style. Everyone is going to be different, everyone is going to have their preferred grip. And so this is actually going to be a factor when you're getting your first tattoo machine, because some machines will have different interchangeable grips, some a bit thicker, some a bit thinner, but some machines will just have a static kind of grip that you're stuck with. And if that is a very wide grip, that is going to create an unnatural hand position for you when you're actually starting out, and that is going to affect your tattoos. Guys, I will reveal what I believe is the best beginner tattoo machine at the end of this video, but I just want to explain to you a few different types of machines. As I say, there's so many options out there. You really do need to do your research first, just to make sure that you are getting the best start in your tattoo career. You have got traditional needles and you do have cartridge systems. Cartridges are so easy to use because you can literally just pop them in and out, all different kind of needle configurations. You only need one tattoo machine to complete whatever tattoos you want to do. And you have got machines that actually offer the choice of both, so they're called crossover machines, and they will use cartridges and traditional needles. Those are probably the most versatile tattoo machines you can get. Traditional needles are going to have their advantages with certain tattoo styles. Like if you're doing like a blackout tattoo, you need to run like really thick mags, and you won't get those with cartridge systems. You will need traditional needles for that, and also a quite powerful tattoo machine. However, most rotary cartridge systems are going to be able to do every kind of tattoo, just going to require different techniques, maybe different hand movements, or a bit of a slower approach. Most tattoo artists have multiple machines, so they'll have machines that are sort of more tailored to particular styles. As a beginner, you're going to be asked to do every single tattoo style. Don't think that you're going to be able to just do whatever tattoos you want when you're starting out. It's just not the way it works. If you want to make money and you want clients, you're going to have to do everything, and that is a great way to learn the tattoo trade as well. You never quite know what style is actually going to be for you when you start out tattooing. The style will tend to find you more, and those clients will tend to gravitate towards you based on a particular style and how you're doing it. Guys, something I want to touch on really quickly is a pneumatic tattoo machine. Now, these actually use compressed air to control the needle. Now, these are absolute garbage in my view, and they tend to just be from like knockoff brands, from overseas, China, things like that, and they tend to be really cheap. Now, these are not actually professional tattoo machines. A real tattoo machine is going to cost you decent money, at least $400, something like that. You want a reputable brand. You do not want to just go with some sort of Chinese knockoff machine or some kind of cheap pen style machine that apparently has a good motor in it, but in fact is not consistent and has bad build quality. So guys, that leads me on to what I think is the best beginner tattoo machine, and this is a pen style rotary machine which uses a cartridge system Easily adjustable throw. The throw is how far the needle sticks out. You can do that at a twist. And this machine also has quite a forgiving give on the motor as well. Exceptional build quality with this machine, and this is the Cheyenne Hawk pen. Guys, one thing I love about this machine is the connection at the back. It's extremely sturdy and extremely well made. You will not expect the machine to just randomly stop working because the connections got loose, or you're not going to have any problems with it. We are in 2024 now, and there are wireless tattoo machine options out there. These tend to be a little bit on the bulky side, and they can be a bit of a faff, like recharging the batteries and everything. Any questions in the comments, I am happy to answer those in depth for you. Good luck on your tattoo journeys and getting your first tattoo machine. Best of luck, and I will see you next time.